Thank you very much for all participants in conference to VVG Bandung. It's my name Wilarso from Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Muhammadiyah Cilengsi. Today in presenting result from research. In present to analysis of diesel engine oil contaminated with water using the fault reanalysis method. Tim author Wilarso, Muhammad Nur, Cekwan, Ahmad Faisal, Iswan Nurdiana, dan Mugisidi Mujiarto and Awang Surya. Abstract study research from failure analysis. The oil in the diesel engine function as lubrication, coolant, cleaner. If the oil is contaminated with water, then the oil cannot be reused and will damage engine component. This has a considerable impact on unit reliability and repair cost. Diesel engine operate for backup power on RS8 on road. The young of East Java is very important for operation. The oil in diesel engine is contaminated with water, so that the diesel engine is damaged. The purpose of this study was to determine the cause of contaminant of oil mixed water. This study used the fault reanalysis method to determine the root cause of the oil mixed water. Several engine components contribute to the oil mixed water, including damage to the aftercooler, damage cylinder crack, damage oil cooler seal or plug, water pump seal. However, the component described are based on fault reanalysis and based on testing as well as checking leading to the oil cooler component. And the result on the study indicate that the cause of the oil mixed water damage to the oil cooler plug gasket is wearing out cause be under Tershi. The oil cooling system use water media in the damage to the oil cooler plug gasket. The water will flow into the oil pump. Introduction: the generator set hospital is located on road Yong S Jakarta has been damaged. After checking on several components, to bearing connecting rod is still normal and other component in the crankcase. Cylinder liner is normal. There is no indication of water leakage and rust. The water pump is normal and there is no indication of water leakage. To the lubrication system, rocker arm rust due to moisture from oil in the crankcase. The engine oil cooler gasket is still normal and the gasket seems to have an internal leak. When testing the engine oil cooler with compressed air, it was found that the oil cooler bypass plug was leaking. The oil sample taken from the oil pan changed color to milky white. Indicate oil contaminated with water and oil pump. A method to reset star indication of the failure analysis, check component, analyze before analyze and now come back to identification of failure component, check component, and yes, result and discussion, conclusion and finish. Result and discussion. Before is remove for component, during overall of the unit experience, oil mix water is what found that the engine rocker arm were corroded atau rusted due to the condensation in the oil rocker area when the oil cooler was damaged. Rocker arm component only as result, not cause of damage. Where component oil cooler was stripped from the cooler outlet present when a pressure test is carried out on the cooling system. This test is carried out to determine whether or not the oil cooler component is damaged. In plug, yeah, in the plug leak during test form indicate a leaking. After checking the oil cooler component, there was a leak in the oil cooler bypass valve plug caused the wound and damage gasket plug. Faulty analysis ini mechanical failure, oil mix water, oil cooler failure. 3 indicate plug oil cooler failure, tube failure, and seal oil ring failure. Indicate big cause, plug in oil cooler failure, high vibration, and under torsi. Oil cooler plug is damaged, high water temperature, high radiator water temperature will affect the oil cooler cooling system if the performance of the air radiator is not optimal because it is damaged. Especially the radiator core is covered with dust, oil, or diesel contamination that the water flowing through the radiator is hot. Then the hot water re-enter the engine causing the oil to not function properly as a lubrication. Hot oil will damage the oil cooler plug. Then the lack of coolant, so as a leak in the pipe or hose, radiator core, drain water pump, it will cause overheat. Oil cooler plug one, yeah. The oil cooler tube is damaged. Silica deposit in the cooling system will affect the heat distribution to the cooling system if the additive concentration is at 6%, it will affect the availability of the water as coolant and will produce silica deposit. This silica deposit will reduce the diameter of the oil cooler tube. Excessive mineral content in water can cause damage to engine component due to the inhibition of heat transfer. Correlation with high radiator water temperature, some state in point I. The is connect with the max to the radiator core, yeah, seal oil ring broken, seal oil ring O-ring oil cooler is broken, radiator water quality, and additive use quite allowed, high radiator water temperature. Conclusion, after checking the engine lubrication system and engine cooling system, it was found that there was a leak in the engine oil cooler bypass valve plug during the oil cooler test. So then the cooling system entered the engine lubrication system when the engine stopped. This because the copper ring gasket on the plug is worn and oval. Ring plug where is caused by the lost plug under torsi. So that the ring rotate in the plug bay, the cooling system flow and eventually wear out. To minimize engine damage caused by this oil mix water, what must be done? One, if the is oil mix water, what must be done is drain the radiator water and flush the radiator water until it is clean. Two, if the engine component maintenance and cause rust. They should be cleaned using oil so as not to cause considerable damage. 3. In the use of radiator water, additive must be by the manufacturer guideline and established standard when this additive so the neutralized pH level in water between 5, 5, 8, 9. Yeah. For flushing radiator water regularly at least every 3 months to reduce sediment in radiator core and the engine itself. 5. Warming up to engine very 2 weeks with a load about 5 under 5% to determine the reliability of the engine. 6. Training for manpower will operate the engine to increase insight in unit operation. Thank you very much for participant.